Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine and doing well. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. Dear friends, today I am going to share with you very beautiful, very amazing, very stylish and very attractive wooden bookshelves designs ideas. There are most attractive, most beautiful and most stylish wooden decor bookshelves designs looking here very nice and very attractive. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. Dear friends, first of all, I suggest you to kindly watch this video till end and keep spotting and keep watching my channel. And also press bell icon because after pressing the bell icon, you may get new notification of my all new videos. There are most attractive, most beautiful, most stylish and most fantastic wooden bookshelves designs looking very nice and very attractive. There are very fantastic wooden decor bookshelves designs. There are very amazing bookshelves designs ideas. There are very beautiful and very fantastic bookshelves designs. There are most stylish bookshelves designs ideas. Most stylish, most attractive, most wonderful and most amazing wooden decor bookshelves designs looking very nice and very attractive. You can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish, and most attractive bookshelves online from etsy.com, ebay.com, AliExpress, Amazon. As we know that all these websites are very famous and you can buy these amazing, wonderful, stylish, and most attractive bookshelves designs online from these websites. There are most attractive designs ideas. There are most stylish and most superb designs. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. Most superb designs, most stylish designs, most attractive bookshelves designs ideas. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. There are most fantastic designs ideas, very attractive designs and colors of wooden decor